Hi guys, welcome back. Hopefully you are doing great. And today we are here to discuss a game changer tool in data visualization that is Power BI. I'm not sure how many of you used it or know about this tool before, but still I promise you will discover something new and exciting in this video. So just make sure to stick around to catch all the insights. Let's understand what is Power BI. Power BI is a powerful business analytical tool developed by Microsoft for data visualizations. It helps to create interactive dashboards and reports with a variety of visual elements like graph and charts. Organizations can easily connect their own data sources to Power BI, turning raw data into clear and impactful visuals. It also supports team collaborations by allowing reports can be viewed in different boards and securely can be shared across multiple organizations. Now the question is, why Power BI? There are other tools in the market like Tableau, Helical Insights, Looker, Domo, and many more, which are doing same things what Power BI does. Now definitely you are thinking about why we choose Power BI there. So it's very simple. It provides seamless integration using Microsoft ecosystem. Like, and you can continue to integrate Power BI into your application using existing credentials of any other tools like Office 365, Teams, and Azure portals. It offers robust features with an affordable price in comparison of other analytical tools. Accessibility for skill levels like dashboards can be built using drag and drop interface. Extensive data connectivity. It provides around 100 data sources connectivity. Continuous updates and support. Microsoft is constantly adding new features and providing a great support so that tool keeps getting better. Custom visualizations and AI powered insights. Built in machine learning gives you smarter insights for your data. So, whether you are a beginner or pro, Power BI is a powerful, affordable, and easy to use, and it is helping all kind of organizations to grow their businesses globally. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video really helpful and value addition, then like it and share with your friends. Subscribe the channel to get a quick updates for all the upcoming this kind of content. See you in the next video. Bye bye.